guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm decorating for the first full week of May 2021, which starts on the 3rd, and I'm going to be using this new Squad Goals sticker book. I have not used this one yet, so I'm very excited. I am using the last little section that has all these girls that are planning and have like plants and stuff. It's very, very cute. Definitely great colors for May. And I also am using big MAMBI sticks. So if you want to see how this is all going to turn out, just keep watching. So first of all, I am extra excited that I was able to get this colorful leopard planner folio. I just think it is so cute. So it is holding my catch-all planner and I love it already. I already have lots of stuff in it. So just pointing that out first. Also, I showed my new whiteout. I finally finished the Bic whiteout. So I have now gotten back to using my Tombow whiteout. So it just glides on so super smooth. I love it, love it, love it. So I normally start out a video like that with, or a planner spread like that with just whiting out all the things that are not going to match the theme that I'm doing. And first I'm putting down this big MAMBI Sticks. She has red hair, looks almost identical to me, and she's just sitting down. She kind of looks sad and like she's not doing anything, so I'm like, let's add something. So I put this planner in front of her, and then later on I put like some pens and highlighters and stuff, but thought that was really fun. Takes up a large portion of the sidebar, so that's pretty cute. And going to find a super thin washi, and I flipped through the sticker book just a little bit to look at the color scheme to make sure I'm choosing a good washi that's going to complement the spread very well. So I'm using this hot pink one, and because it's the first month of May just screams like a girly month to me. I don't know, it just feels like there can be lots of pinks and like yellow and, you know, beautiful greens and stuff like that. So I chose that hot pink, even though pink is probably one of my least favorite colors. So it's kind of contradicting how much I actually use pink sometimes in my planners. But anyway, that was so random. So anyways, I know that Wednesday is Cinco de Mayo, but in my monthly view on this side, I used the black Cinco de Mayo sticker, and I wanted to have that in my actual weekly spread. So I switched it out. I put the gold foiling Cinco de Mayo in the monthly and then the black in the weekly view. So you know, that was just a little switch. And then when I covered up that sun in the top left corner of the sidebar, then I wanted to put, you know, something that was actually going to match. So I put that little quote in there. It says, do all the things. And then I had enough room for one little box, so that'll be like a don't forget little area. And then because I had that really big girl in the sidebar, I normally use one of these really long stickers in my sidebar. So I thought I would try something different and put it on a physical day, and we'll see how that works out. Hopefully I have a good amount of things to write in that day so I can try something new. So we'll see. And then I obviously put the Cinco de Mayo sticker in that. So that worked out well. And we are going to be traveling this weekend for Mother's Day, going back. I mean, it's only a few hours away, going back home, still in the same, you know, North Carolina, but going to go see our moms. So I put a Hello Weekend and then a Mother's Day sticker. So it's already coming together very well. And then the handwritten colored boxes is one of my favorites. I really love that font, and I want to start using this sticker book more and more. I really do love it. I mean, I I tried so hard to find it, and now that I have it, I feel like I've been hoarding it a lot, so I definitely want to make a point of using it more and more. So anyways, I put down that family time sticker book because, of course, we'll be spending time with family. And then this other sheet from the travel book is the packing list. So, I need to get all of our bags together before we leave. So put that sticker down. And then, of course, Saturday morning when we leave, I put away we go because I thought that would be kind of cute. And, of course, it matches. Then it says weekend trip. I don't know. I just feel like sticking down all the stickers because we hardly ever travel anymore. So just making it a big deal. And then for Sunday, I put like an ETA sticker. And so I can like write a note of when we are expected to be home. So I thought that was kind of a little added touch. Then because I'm using these squad goals stickers, I of course want to put lots of girl stickers down. So I'm whiting out the line, like the border around the page, because I don't want like a big black line in the girls. So I try to do that. But once I started sticking all the girls down, I'm like, these are all totally different sizes. Like there's a tiny little girl and then there's a girl standing up. And then, I don't know, it just feels a little bit weird. Like there's like tiny little people and then there's huge giants. I don't know. So I didn't want it to feel so, I don't know if awkward is the right word, but I didn't want it to look so choppy, like these girls don't match together, So trying to space them out, I guess, was the key to what I was trying to do. But then all the little like flowers and leaves, stuff like that, I wanted to scatter around the page just a little bit, not too much. But overall, I'm not doing too much on the page because I don't have, I don't know, I don't, when I do my before the pen, I don't want to put down too many stickers and not have enough room to write. But as the day passes on, if not that much happens, then I could stick down more stickers, So I just want to keep it open at the beginning, and then as the week goes on, I can fill it in. So hopefully that makes sense. But overall, that's, I'm pretty much wrapping up the spread. I think I add down like a few more little details and colorful boxes where I'm able to write down a few of the things that I definitely know that's happening. Like Monday morning, my husband has to go into work at 1 a.m., which is totally like, that's probably happened one other time. So I definitely wanted to have that box down to remember. And then this cute arrow that said remember, I thought was really fun. So it kind of adds some dimension in the page, I guess, when there's like an arrow coming off the page. I just thought it was cute. So just putting that down. And regardless if there's anything to remember, I'll move it around somewhere to keep it on the page because it's cute. Other than that, that's it. I'm putting this pen down, but thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.